So I'm putting together a new 150-gallon reef, and I'm about to hang this new Nicrew. It's a Gen 2 HyperReef, and I'm going to use the reef hanging kit, or the light hanging kit, using wires rather than the bar that comes with it. It comes with the ability to mount it off the back of the tank or off a wall. But I think it's going to look better if I go ahead and use this kit. So let's take a look and see what's involved here. I think it should be pretty simple, just like hanging a chandelier. So we've got this guy, which clearly is going to go here and here, like that. Let me put this together and play with it a little bit and show you how this goes. I'm not likely to find a stud up here, so I'm going to go ahead and use these guys. They do a great job of mounting, and they go in easy and then they remove easy, which is also important to me. A lot of the drywall anchors that you use, they don't come out as easy. So just gonna mark my spots. So this is the assembly that gets mounted to the ceiling, and I just need to have that thread coming down so the screw will fit right up in the middle and hold that up tight. Beauty. Those are real strong now. So now we've got these two hanging cables that we're going to screw onto those posts that I just put in. So they ought to look perfect. Now I'm going to slide the cables down through the locking mechanisms. It's a little spring mounted deal here. I'm really not sure where my height should be just yet. So I'm going to get it up out of the water to start with. And we'll make adjustments from there. Okay, it's going to be something in that area. Okay, ta-da. I've obviously got some cleanup to do, and I think that needs to be lower. So I'm going to have to cut the ends of these off when I get to the right position. But you can extend by pushing down on that. It's like a little Chinese finger handcuff kind of a deal. But yeah, this should do it for me. I just got to get up there and hide all of this, but I want to get this set up and figure out the par readings and play with the controller before I do too much more. Very cool.